Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I'm gonna present my individual alternative assessment high defiantly mockup prototype from the course Requirements Engineering and Software Modeling by the topic name UTM Counseling Center System. Let me first introduce myself. My name is Elmansouri Aemad, Akriamash. Matric number A20EC4065. I'm from section 2 and my team is team number 9. So let me start with the presentation contents. We have the project introduction, use case diagram, assigned use case and use case specification, activity diagram, self-reflection, prototype demo, and at the end, conclusion. So starting with the project introduction, the primary objects of this project is to show the clients of the system the purpose module of the system once it has been analyzed. As a result, the client will have a better understanding of how the system will operate. The requirements module outlined will assist the client in gaining a comprehensive understanding of the system. This video is going to present use case diagram and specification with its activity diagram, my UI flow, and my self-reflection. The requirements in this video are elected from the stakeholder UTM Counseling System Center at the workshop on the 22nd April 2022. After that, we documented all the requirements, as it is important to make sure that there is a clear understanding between the project team and stakeholders. The UTM counseling system is to assist the UTM counseling system staff and make their job handle easier. The UTM counseling system is for the UTM students and staff, and its main aim is to promote mental health. So here you can see our use case diagram for the counseling system center system. So we have divided in 4 modules. The first module is booking process. The second one is data handling process. The third one, a system process, and at the end we have user sharing information. Now moving to the assist use case that I have done, which is the module user sharing information. So we have so we have here the admin will do the setting up program details, and then the admin will also do the announcement and prepare the announcement by the email. Then the client will receive all the announcement and updates and information by the email. So for me, I have choosing for this alternative assessment the announcement by email. So moving here, we have the use case specification for announcement by email. Alright, for the history log, we have in the first version we have create an entire use case. In the second version we have fixed post condition and use case name, fixed normal flow, alternative flow, and expectation, fixed pre-conditions. At the end, added requirement. So the use case ID is CUC015. The use case name, announcement by email, created by Elmansouri, last updated also by Elmansouri. The date created 11th June 2022, and last revision date 23rd of June 2022. The actor is admin. The description of this use case describe how admin prepares the announcement to be sent by the UTMCC email. For the preconditions, the actor has the ability to choose the people that will get the announcement. For the normal flow, the admin logs into the system. The admin selects UTM client emails. The admin sends the prepared announcement to UTM client's email. Use case ends. For the alternative flow, it cancels the announcement email if the actor did not send the announcement. And for the acceptation, system failed when the actor did not prepare the announcement. And for the post conditions, the actor did prepared and send the announcement. Okay, for the related requirements, for the requirement, if the system shall for the requirements UC 0501501, it will be the system shall display the announcement, and for 02, the system shall announce by the email. Alright, so now moving to the activity diagram of announcement by email. First of all, the admin have to log in into the system. Then he even go to view clients. Then he log out, or he compose information and then send the information to the clients. Then he can log out of the system. Alright, so moving to my self-reflection, I gained a lot of information during taking the requirement engineering and software modeling course. I learned what are the essential diagrams to start a new system. In addition, I also learned how is use case important when doing a new system, followed by use case specification. Moreover, I developed extensive skills working with my team members even when they were distressed. I'm excellent at decycling situation and finding a way to make the team motivated. Finally, the course was great and beneficial. For high fidelity prototype is gained with my understanding of how the system will work and issue that occurs during the test prototype. And knowledge of high fidelity prototype include all the visual components, interactive elements, and content that will be featured on the final product. In fact, the system looks just like a real website, which is hugely beneficial when it comes to user testing. Besides, by using high fidelity, I know how to make the GUI of the website friendly and how the user interact with the system. So for the prototype demo, this is my UI flow. So you can see here how the prepared announcement will be. So here we have the UTM constellation system and later we will select the UTM graduate emails, and it will be from the UTMCC, and we have the date and the subject, and below it will be the announcement, the details of the announcement. And yeah, here we have an example of how the email will be. So as we said earlier, we have the UTM constellation system in the top, and to the prepared or to the chosen emails, It will be from UTMCC, and we have the date as well as the subject, and below all the details about the announcements. And alright, so now moving to the conclusion. The purpose of this video was to demonstrate how the proposed module works. We gain actually experience building a module of system software during the process of launching the module. We also taught how to set up and upgrade a sector system for the benefit of the people. This video improved our grasp of identifying the use case and converting it into diagrams with our capability to create state transaction diagrams, as well as creating UI flow. So that was all for my video, and thank you for watching.